From the decisions we make to the products we use, data powers everyday life. And one company is trying to make it easier for businesses to solve some big challenges when it comes to big data. To dig deeper, I am joined by Alation CEO and co-founder Satyen Sangani. Thank you so much for being here, Satyen.
Thank you, Trinity.
Can we start talking about Alation, exactly what it is and what you do with the company?
You all know, or everybody knows, that there's so much data out there, but what you might not know if you're watching the space of data is that most of that data is really inaccessible to the employees that work inside of a company because it's hard to use and hard to understand and complex and hard to access. And so we help individuals, employees, really understand and manage their data way better than they otherwise would.
Sort of like a Google for data.
That's exactly right. The reality is that data is kind of scary to use to a lot of people.
And not a lot of people understand it.
Right, like math is tough,
Yep.
Not everybody understands it, and then you on top of that you've all got all these technical terms like SQL and Python and joins and filters, and people don't really care to or want to learn that stuff, and it gets really scary, and what if I do it wrong, and what does that mean for my career? So given the choice between using data and not using data, people often don't. And so the real challenge is how do you get people to really understand this stuff and to be comfortable with it and to feel safe with it so they can use it to make a better decision.
And how do you do that?
Well, if you think about how you shop, if you want to buy something, you're likely to go to Amazon.com.
Yep.
And when you go to Amazon.com, you're likely to look up the reviews of what other people did or saw or bought. You're likely to look at the ratings. You're likely to look at the prices. You're likely to look at the product descriptions. Well, data is exactly the same thing, the same exact processes apply. You want to know who else has used this data, what reports have been prepared with it, where the data came from, whether it's high quality, and we can tell you all of that. And that's what allows it to kind of come to life. It's not the hard numbers, but it's what other people have done with it, and that gives you the confidence to move forward with a question.
Well, thank you so much, Satyen, for being here today, and we welcome you back anytime.
Thank you.